In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder component properties in a Webflow component. Start by opening the Webflow website. Then hover over your project and click Open in Webflow. Once the designer loads, go to the canvas and double-click the component instance. Then press K on your keyboard. You should now see the 4 properties listed in the Props panel on the right side, which shows the current order of the component properties. Next, enter the main component. Double-click the component instance on the canvas again, then click Open Component at the bottom. When you are inside the main component, the area outside it appears dim. On the left sidebar of the canvas, you should also see Variants. That confirms you are editing the main component itself, not just an instance placed on the page. Now open the Props panel if it is not already visible. Press K on your keyboard to open Properties. You can also click the Properties icon in the left toolbar to toggle the panel open. In this panel, each property is listed from top to bottom in the order it was originally created. This is the list you will reorder. Move your pointer over one of the property rows in the Properties panel. As you hover, a drag handle appears on the left side of that row. Click and hold the button text row, then drag it upward and place it above the heading text row. When you released, the list updates immediately, so the call to action property moves to the top. Next, click and hold button link. Drag it directly under button text, then release it there. This places those 2 related properties together in the list. Continue dragging any remaining properties until the Properties panel matches the order you want. There is no Save button for this change. The updated order is stored automatically as soon as you drop each property into place. Once the new order looks right, click the Back button in the top breadcrumb to exit the main component. Then click the component instance on the canvas once. Look over to the right-hand Properties panel, and you'll see the instance now shows the properties in the new order you just set. That same property order also applies to every other instance of this component across the site. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The result is that the Props panel on every instance now follows the order you defined, instead of the original creation order. Anyone editing the component will see a cleaner and more intentional property list.